What's going on, guys? Today I'm back with a new unboxing video with this microphone set made by a company called Maono. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce the name, but yeah, let's get to unboxing this. And guys, the link will be in the description for this microphone set, and yeah, there will be a review as well. Let's get into this. So guys, if you look on the back, first of all, it's a USB connector, and it's a clamp on one. And yeah, let's just open this up. So guys, you do have to build this one yourself. So this is just to say if you're happy or not. You get a manual. You get the foam thingy where you put on your mic. This bit, do not know what it's called, but just a bit. And the main stuff, so you get the USB connectors. So this is probably to connect it into the mic, most likely. This is probably most likely to connect it into the mic. The stand, the actual mic. Yep, the actual mic. So like I was saying over here, the connector. Just put these lot to the side. And like I was saying, it's a clamp on one, so you can just clamp it onto your desk or something. Let's get the stand out. And then it's probably to hold, this is most likely to hold it in place. And yeah, so let's move this stuff over here. And guys, I'm going to quickly decide whether to show you on screen to assemble this. If not, I'm going to show you how it looks upstairs, clamped onto my desk. And yeah, let's get on to that. So guys, I'm going to quickly connect everything together, but over here I was just trying it out, so that's why that's there. But I'm going to do a time lapse now of everything connecting together, and yeah, let's get started. So guys, moving on to the pros and cons, it is priced at £63.99, so it's under the £100 mark, so which is quite good, especially if you want something a bit cheaper rather than spending over £100 on a mic. So guys, first we're going to go into the pros. So first we'll have the blue touch button, as you might be able to see the picture now. So if you touch that, it will turn to red, which will mute the mic. And there's also a mic gain button where you can put your volume, like make your voice louder or quieter. It doesn't take up too much desk space. It has arm space to move around, so you can put it in one corner when you're not using it. You can put it in the grommet hole on your desk if it's too thick, as that's what I had to do. And some of you guys might be wondering, what is the grommet hole? Some people in their desk have a hole in it. It's just usually where you can put your wires through or something. That's where I've put mine, because this is a clamp on one. So moving on to the cons, I don't know, but if it's just me or is it on the company side, but in one bit the mic just keeps on unloosening, so I have to keep on tightening it where it is. But other than that, I fully recommend this mic because I like it quite a lot, and I recommend it to you lot. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you lot in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe, and yeah.